Plant FAQs, Hosta Minuteman. The enduring appeal of the Minuteman Hosta. For years, I've been captivated by the beauty of shade gardens. The lush greenery, the dappled sunlight, it creates a peaceful escape right in your own backyard. But what truly elevates a shade garden are the pops of color and texture. That's where the Hosta Minuteman comes in. This stunning perennial has become a mainstay in my own garden, and for good reason. Its bold appearance and easy care requirements make it a perfect choice for both seasoned gardeners and beginners alike. In this article, I'll delve into everything you need to know about the Minuteman Hosta, from its characteristics to planting tips and beyond. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What is the Minuteman Hosta? The Minuteman Hosta is a variety known for its striking foliage. Imagine a clump of large, ovate-shaped leaves with a rich, dark green center. The real showstopper, though, is the wide, pure white margin that encircles each leaf. This vibrant contrast adds a touch of elegance and definition to any shady corner. This beauty is actually a sport, a natural mutation of the popular Francie Hosta. Interestingly, the Minuteman boasts a slightly more compact size compared to its parent, making it a great choice for smaller gardens or borders. Hosta Minuteman versus Patriot. When I first saw the Hosta Minuteman, its bold green leaves edged in crisp white caught my eye immediately. It's like a miniature garden painting. On the other hand, the Hosta Patriot impressed me with its larger, heart-shaped leaves and how they gracefully spread out, creating a lush ground cover that feels like a living carpet in my garden. Each has its charm, but the Minuteman's intricate detailing really adds a unique touch to my shaded spots. How to care for the Minuteman Hosta. The Minuteman Hosta is a dream come true for gardeners who appreciate low-maintenance plants. Here's what you need to know to keep yours thriving. Light. This shade-loving perennial prefers areas with dappled sunlight or even full shade. Avoid placing it in direct afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Soil. The Minuteman Hosta flourishes in moist, well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Amending your planting area with compost before planting is a great way to achieve this. Watering. Consistent moisture is key, especially during the hot summer months. Aim to water your Minuteman Hosta deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Fertilizer. While not strictly necessary, a balanced fertilizer applied once a year in early spring can give your Minuteman Hosta a boost. How to propagate the Minuteman Hosta. Sharing the beauty of the Minuteman Hosta is easy. This variety propagates readily through division in early spring or fall. Here's a quick guide. Carefully dig up the mature Minuteman Hosta clump using a shovel. With a sharp knife, gently pry or cut the clump into sections, ensuring each section has healthy roots and buds. Replant the divisions in prepared soil, water thoroughly, and keep them moist until established. What to plant with the Minuteman Hosta. The Minuteman Hosta's versatility makes it a wonderful addition to various shade garden designs. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Ferns. The delicate fronds of ferns create a lovely contrast against the bold foliage of the Minuteman Hosta. Opt for varieties like Japanese painted fern or maidenhair fern. Heuchera. Coral bells. The vibrant foliage of Heuchera in shades of burgundy, pink, or chartreuse adds a pop of color and complements the cool tones of the Minuteman Hosta. Astilbes. These shade-loving perennials offer beautiful, plume-like flowers in shades of pink, white, or lavender, creating a delightful textural contrast with the Hosta's broad leaves. Where can I buy Minuteman Hostas? Finding Minuteman Hostas is relatively easy. Many online nurseries and garden centers stock this popular variety. Remember to check with local retailers in your area during spring or fall, the prime planting times for hostas. Beyond the basics, additional tips for success. Here are a few extra pointers for ensuring your Minuteman Hosta thrives. Mulch. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of your Minuteman Hosta to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Watch out for slugs and snails. These slimy creatures can damage Hosta leaves. Use organic slug and snail control methods like beer traps or diatomaceous earth. Enjoy the flowers. While the foliage is the main attraction, the Minuteman Hosta also produces pale lavender flowers on tall scapes in early to midsummer. By following these simple tips, You can cultivate a thriving patch of Minuteman hostas that will add enduring beauty and elegance to your shade garden for years to come.